Alright, what is going on, everybody? I haven't uploaded a video in a while, so I just wanted to show you real quick the updates. It's pretty much, I don't have much on it yet, but just wanted to show you the trims are dipped, and as well as this area, this is dipped as well. And over here I got the neodymium magnets for my license plate. I put it on but whenever I go to a car show or something like that, I take them off. So everything, the trims are dipped, and this is I believe, I forgot if it was a 3D or 4D carbon fiber, but this is a carbon fiber. It's right like inside the glass, which is pretty thick. Rest of it, you see the Tron tape on it, and go around, see Tron tape, of course, and the roof's black. The door handles, the trims on the door handles are black as well. And I had dipped my tail lights black before, but it was very blurred when I was braking or had my lights on. It was very blurry, and I didn't like it. It was just nasty. You probably see that in the first video, but there's a spray called Nightshade. I did 2 coats of that, like quick 2 coats, and it's a lot better than that. It's way much better. I will show you just a second. It's a spoiler, the rear diffuser in the bottom. I do have a muffler delete, so if you guys you probably heard it before, but you guys could hear it now. I'm gonna do a cold startup.